Hi guys. My PowerPoint is about my classroom by me, Cheryl Castillo. Okay, this is showing you how many different ways you could use, and this is only some different ways we could put our desks in our classroom. Right here, you could use 2x2. This is good if you wanted to do like group work or like teamwork or whatever. This right here is 4x4. This is really good if you wanted to do like math boxes, like different kind of things, Right here, I'm sorry about my video is probably hiding half of it, but it's like a U, and the teacher in the middle. You can make it a little U, you can make it a big U, however it works for you. Here's what I called old-fashioned, but a lot of us still use it. It's just desks all in a row, and sometimes this is one way to control the kids, because there's a group of kids in the school right now that has a problem of talking. So you put them in the rows, and sometimes it's easier just to deal with them. Over here is a whole bunch of different ways, like if you need to put a desk in the classroom. And it depends on what size your classroom is, to be truthful, because some classrooms could be really nice and big. Some of them are really small. So you have to deal with what you got. Okay. Here is the classroom management. I think I really, really enjoyed watching Mr. Wong's videos. I think every teacher or educator needs to see them also. He really put some really good ideas in my head. Classroom management, to be a good teacher, you have to have some good classroom management. So, the kids need to know. How else are the kids going to need to know what to do when they walk in the room? You need to tell them. So, you need to have it on your walls. You need to show it to them. The policies and procedures. If the rules right here, you could put the rules up on your wall. If you need the whole classroom's attention, give them high five. A lot of kids already know how to do high five because of they learned it in the lower grades or from their brothers and sisters at home. Procedures need to be taught all at the beginning of the school year. Procedures will take you several days to several weeks, sometimes even months. When I am introducing them, I only want to do a few at a time. With this way the kids will get them in their minds, not get it all fumbled up and going, oh no, what am I supposed to do when I turn in my work? Oh no, I don't remember. So I'll show it to them till they get it in their minds. Sometimes you have to do it for days and months, and sometimes you have to do it all year. Sometimes you have that one student that just doesn't like to listen and does what he wants to do or she wants to do, and they need to be taught daily. Here are some of the procedures right here that I want to introduce to my kids, my students in my classroom. What to do in the morning when they walk into the classroom. That's a very important one. What to do when you're absent for a day or more. What you could do before, if you know you're going to be absent, what you could do before you are going to miss a day. What to do when you're done with your work. What to do when you need to turn in your homework. What to do if you need help. Do I raise my hand? Do I go up to the teacher? Do I say, teacher, teacher, teacher? Or what to do? What to do if I need to use the restroom? Or just a simple drink of water? What to do if my pencil breaks in the middle of doing my work? What to do when you're working in a group? There's procedures to work in a group. What to do when you're working on your math wall or mountain language wall? Them are some of the things we do in the school that I work at. What to do when you need something else in the classroom that you don't have at your desk and you have to get up to get them. What to do for that? There's a whole bunch of different procedures that you need to go through and talk with your kids so the kids know what to do and they won't sit there, teacher, 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 that ignoring, teacher, teacher, I don't understand, what do I do, what do I do? If you teach them right away, there's no problem there, just like the rules. Now, Things that I have in my classroom. I took a lot of pictures of my classroom and a couple other classrooms too. A reading corner right here. I think a reading corner in a regular classroom is very important. A reading corner, you don't have to decorate it up, but some people do. I think it's pretty cool. Put some bean bags and draw a little picture. If you could have your art teacher do it. Draw you a picture like that, or just make it fun. A math wall. I do a math wall in my classroom because I do a lot of centers. I'm just like a para. I do a lot of access groups, so I have a lot of different kinds of kids in my classroom. So here I do a math wall, and it's wonderful. It helps the kids get the math in their heads. If you see right here, there's paper. So the student will grab a piece of paper, go to the desks, and they grab their pencil, and then they go. There'll be little blocks, and it'll say number 1. So you go up here, and whatever the number is, which this one is 4,673, and this number 1 says word form. So you write 4,673 out, and then you just keep on going and going and get it all done. Another wonderful thing that we do in our school is called Mountain Language Wall. There's another piece of paper. You grab it. A lot of kids just kind of grab a clipboard too and like hang out by the wall so they could see it better. And it'll say number 1, and it'll give you a direction. Okay, there's a whole bunch of directions. How do you number 1? What's the plural name? What's the plural word? So right here it says cloud. So you would write cloud, or you would there's a whole bunch of different things. Like I think this would be number 3. It'd say weed. What's the 2 words for weed? So you would write we did. Let's see. I have the alphabet up there, and of course I have it through the kindergarten way, and that's how the kids all know it, like A, Andy, Appleby, Benny the ball, Callie cat, dirty dog. I have them all up there, and I did it in different kind of colors so it's kind of so kids could see. It's fun. I like to do fun things. You could have writing helpers, which I did not take pictures of, and I'm sorry. Writing helpers like what's a verb, what's a noun, things to help you remember complete sentences. Remember your punctuation. A lot of kids forget the punctuation. So it's nice to have those kind of things up on your wall. Positive quotes. I love positive quotes. When kids walk into my room, I always say, "Well, I'm so happy to see you. Have a wonderful day," when they leave. Keep that beautiful smile on your face. Keep positive. You're doing wonderful. Put some of that stuff on your walls too. Up on your whiteboard. Put that on your whiteboard. Have a wonderful day, or I'm glad to see you, or do some positive stuff. It helps you as a teacher, but it also helps those kids think, man, she really does think that. She really wants us around. Or he, sorry. A kidney table, work table right here. I love my kidney table. I'm a ELL para right now, so I teach. I have a few students that I'm teaching English to. So we sit on my kidney table, and I love it because it's like you could really focus on a small little group, and you're right there together. And I use my kidney table for like my group works, my on access times and stuff like that. Wonderful, wonderful table. There's my works cited. I hope you enjoyed it, and I am so excited to decorate my room and put some more stuff up. And thank you for the class. Have a good day. Bye.